Strange animals in the world. Number 1. Venezuelan poodle moth. The new species of moth called the Venezuelan poodle moth is quite a mystery. The Venezuelan poodle moth can be generally found in higher altitude savanna regions or in high altitude forests. Poodle moths are fuzzy cute animals that look like a muslin moth. It has deep dark black eyes, and the fur makes them appear big. They also have brownish antennae. This incredibly unique and extremely mysterious-looking insect was first made an appearance in 2009. Number 2. Panda ant. The panda ant is an interesting insect with a misleading name. It is not a panda but actually a species of velvet ant, and velvet ant are not ants at all, but wasps. The bright contrasting colors of the panda ant are meant to confuse any predators into thinking that the ant is poisonous when eaten. Number 3. Satanic leaf-tailed gecko. The leaf-tailed gecko, a lengthy lizard, has quite a unique physique, with a broad and triangular head. Their name comes from the leaf-like resemblance of their tail. This gecko has a unique vocal trick. It can emit a loud noise that sounds just like the scream of a child. The skin of the gecko resembles the rough bark of the tree, allowing them to hide from predators. Number 4. Glaucus atlanticus. It is also known as the blue dragon, sea swallow or blue angel. This blue dragon packs a deadly venom for anyone who dares touch its body. It can grow up to 1.2 inches long. Blue glaucus can swallow air and hold it in their stomach in order to float on the water's surface. Number 5. Penis snake. It is the world's largest caecilian, a limbless amphibian, reaching a length of 75 centimeters (30 inches). Little is known about the species, although it is thought that it lacks lungs, breathing through its skin instead. Number 6. Sea pen. Obviously, the sea pen is not a real pen. However, they are named after the one suborder which looks like those antique feather pens. Although the sea pen is anchored into the ground, it is possible for them to pull the anchor and move to a new spot if they need to. Typically they position themselves into a spot with a nice current that can bring them all kinds of plankton, their favorite food. Number 7. Japanese spider crab. They may look like something from a 1950s science fiction film, but Japanese spider crabs are gentle giants. The Japanese spider crab has the largest leg span of any arthropod in the world, reaching up to 3.8 meters, 12 feet, long, and weighing up to 41 pounds, 19 kilograms. but the actual body of the Japanese spider crab is only 15 inches long. It has 8 legs and 2 arms used for feeding. Number 8. Buff-tip moth. The buff-tip moth certainly is an amazing creature. When it sits motionless, the coloring, shape and buff-colored wingtips of the buff-tip moth make it perfectly camouflaged. It looks just like a broken birch twig. Buff-tip moths can be seen in gardens, woodland and countryside habitats between July to October in Europe and the UK. Number 9. Red-lipped battlefish. This strange-looking fish have long and sharp nose, and they also look like they put a lot of lipstick on their lip. Some scientists believe the purpose of its red bright lip is for the male of Ogchocephalus darwini to attract the female. Number 10. Spicebush swallowtail caterpillar. The spicebush swallowtail caterpillar mimics a snake, but looks strikingly similar to Caterpie from Pokémon. The spicebush swallowtail caterpillar goes through several stages and color changes on its way to becoming a butterfly. The snake stage occurs when what appear to be large eyes are displayed on the caterpillar's thorax. Number 11. Twig caterpillar. These caterpillars are commonly found in wet habitats, such as bogs and woodlands. The color and markings on these caterpillars allow them to blend in with trees such that people and predators mistake them for part of the branches. When threatened, these twig caterpillar may stand erect, extending their bodies straight outward from the branch or stem they're gripping, to mimic a twig or leaf petiole. Number 12. Putu bird. This creepy putu is one of the world's most weirdest or scariest birds. This creepy putu, scientifically known as Nake tibias grandis. It is a nocturnal bird that lives mostly in tropical America, ranging from Central America to South America. While some animals focus on defense techniques, this bird instead have become talented at hiding. They perch at the top of a dead branch usually, where they position themselves at a sharp angle and stay completely still, with their eyes closed. This putu bird produce weird sound like crying, that will be terrible to hear. They have magical eyes, which means they can see you even with their eyes closed.